Hello, this is Gabriela, and now we are looking at the S&P. So we can see that it made the bottom in 2009, March 6, famous March 6, and it topped at, let me see here, S&P future. It topped on January 4, 2022 at 2022, and yesterday it closed above the former top. So 2022 is a very 4808. It is a very important support level. Maybe only 3 points above the close, but still it is a very important level. So let us see what happened since January 22. It went down 14.7%, and then it went up, and then it went down more, 21.59%, and then corrected up, and then went down 19%, less than before. It made a double bottom in October 2022, and since then it is rising. So I checked what happened on July 27. Mercury was 92 Mars. Here is the chart. Mercury 13 and Mars 14. So Mercury in Leo, Mars in Taurus, they were in square. And then on October 27, one moment, 27 October. Okay, on October 27, the same two planets were conjunct in Scorpio. Scorpio, the sign of the money. So they made the bottom, and since then they are rising. So using a timing solution, I will check the aspects between one moment, Mercury and Mars. Okay, aspects, Mercury, major, minor aspects to transit Mars, and I want to have the exact date and without orb. So I'm clicking here, and I can write here transit Mercury aspects to transit Mars, and then I will get this a lot of events. Okay, I can make also a calendar. If I click on this, create a TS calendar, and I can write here S&P transit Mercury aspects to transit Mars, and I want to copy this in order to put it in the next window, and then I will get the calendar now, time zone, New York. Okay, and it will tell me that on January 27 they will be again conjunct. Okay, if I look at the list, I can get all the dates afterwards. March 1, March 14, April, and so on. Okay, so if I want to look at the cycle, I can make a 5 degrees orb, and then I will not be able to make a calendar because the calendar makes only a 0 degrees orb, but still it is not giving me orb. Let's make it 10 degrees. It still doesn't give me. Let's make it 15 degrees. 15 degrees is huge. I can't use that. I can't use 15 degrees. So I can make maybe the 10 degrees orb. And again, I will get this very nervous table, very nervous chart, okay? So with 10 degrees orb, it shows me a top here and the fall. These cycles never show me the price levels. They show me only the direction. Okay, so here it gives me a top, which was a minor top, and then it fell. And then it gives me here a low, a change in trend, which was a top, and then a top here, which was a low. So this doesn't really work. Okay, this doesn't really work. Doesn't really work. It shows me a top here on December 27 when the index stopped, and then a fall, and then the next stop on January 28. January 28, and again a fall till 15 February. So this is not really something that I can rely on. So I can use astronomy and use the composite cycle and click everything and check all. And this will take a lot of time to calculate. So I will be back. So meanwhile, until the timing solution is calculating, we can look at the 1 hour chart, and we can see that it topped high, it made a higher high, and then immediately fell. So now the midpoint is at 48.05, so until it is above it, it can make to 24. Below it, it will go to 47.88. Okay, so this is the technical view. I don't really, okay, and if I look at this, January 15 will be a sit when we might get resistance at 48.32 and then a fall. And where will this fall be? This fall will be cancel. One moment. It will be to it will be to 47.07. Okay, but still above January 5 low. So now it trades in a triangle. Breaking above the triangle, it will go up. So our stop is 48.05. If it is above, we are long. If it is below, we are short, targeting 47.07.